Your Excellencies, dear honorable international partners, dear colleagues, students and professors, dear members of academic community. Our university is learning to live and work in the new conditions of war. Is it easy? No, because like the whole country, we were not prepared for the serious challenges caused by the Russian military aggression. Our country, and in particular our university, endured massive bombing and invasion by Russian troops. In these conditions, we did everything possible to continue education and research and to ensure safety of our students and staff, as well as their families. Terrorist rocket strikes at Ukrainian universities target Ukraine's intellectual heart. Periodic rocket attacks hit Shevchenko National Universityof Kyiv, damaging symbolic institutions that has shaped national statehood and culture. Enemy launched a massive missile attack at Kyiv on 31st December 2022, causing damages to the buildings of our university campus. These buildings are for students of biology and medicine, psychology and mathematics, cybernetics and geography, physics and sociology, and many others. The damage is estimated to be even more devastating than after the previous attacks. Dear friends, colleagues and partners, we appeal to the international partners, alumni, students and friends of our university to help restore our buildings and campuses, our classrooms, offices and laboratories. We invite everybody to provide any possible contribution to the restoration and further development of our university. Every contribution will be accepted with gratitude, and your name will be written in the new pages of history of the famous university. Investing in education is equivalent to investing in the future. We would highly appreciate a clear reaction of the international community to this terrible and inhuman aggression against Ukraine and Shevchenko National University of Kyiv. We have a lot of problems that need to be solved in force majeure. But over the past year, we have become stronger and more mature. With your kind support and contribution, we will be able to preserve education and research for future generations. Rebuild everything and we don't forget anything. Glory to